back into trying to synthesize the sound of paper crumpling. I encourage you to watch the first 3 videos leading up to this one, as I'm not going to explain what we've done so far, but we kind of have a result. And here's the one I recorded. So it seems like that the frequency of the triggers or the clicks increases super fast and then slows down. So at the moment I have a very linear down and then up shape. So I feel like this needs to go like this, or even we'll go for here. And I'm changing the offset of the delay and the echo delay and the arpeggiator, note echo. Okay, let's listen. That filter, I think we need to lose the resonance on the filter for a start. I think that's giving it that clickiness. In fact, let's make this a low pass and see what happens. Okay, let's lose the resonance. The resonance is kind of giving it a musical kind of feeling to it, in my opinion. Okay, let's make the low part, or the cutoff. Let's have it really quickly come up to the midpoint. It really needs to be a lot busier here. I'm going to turn... Maybe let's bring the offset down even more on this one. I want to go ahead and just add a reverb in here. I want to hear what it sounds like. I don't think it's going to help, but we'll see how we go. Let's make it incredibly short. Okay, let's go ahead and work on the pitch. So I'm going to go back into Vital and let's just go Configure. We'll select the pitch of oscillator 1. Turn Configure off. Close this down and let's have the pitch coming up from a low to a high. No! It's sounding underwater, like we're getting a bubbly type effect. Let's try having it really low. And just coming up to around here, maybe. I feel like the decay of envelope 3 needs to get shorter over that period, which is the decay which is assigned to that LFO, that sine wave. So let's choose the decay. And we'll bring that shorter as the pitch goes up. That might eradicate the poppy computer noise. Let's bring the offset all the way up for the very start. And of this one as well, just so we have just 1 or 2 clicks at the start. I'm just going to turn the note echo off. This could be what's causing a bunch of problems. It didn't really feel like it sat right anyway, so let's just leave that off for now. Let's bring the depth down over this period. Is this... Oh no, this is for this one, so we need the depth down on this one, which is controlling the rate of the arpeggiator. Let's get the offset coming down more. Okay, so that's getting faster, which is sounding good. Let's go back to the reference. I'll drag this across here. So I think I'm spreading, whoa, cool. I think I'm spreading the space too much. So let's go into Vital and bring the pan amount down. So if we bring this down by 50%, so it's on 1, then we will actually need to bring this up to here, negative 64%. So that'll give us the range of negative 64 to plus 64. Unfortunately, the arpeggiator is never going to play notes that overlap. So we're getting fast notes in very quick succession, which is starting to sound like a tone. So it's starting to sound musical and unrandom. So I think the way to tackle that would be to have another one doing the same thing, right? Let's try. Duplicate. And I'm not going to use this note echo, so I will steal this LFO and apply it to the rate of the new arpeggio. Why am I getting this can't do shit symbol? Ah, because I'm on free rate and that's been taken over by the LFO, so that makes sense. Okay, let's make this one let's make the, I've got to remember which one's which. So this one is the second one, so let's drag it across here. Let's make the depth of this one, oh, we need to bring the depth up again. I like seeing the respective lines in here. We'll need to bring the depth up here as well. What if we were to change the offset of this one so it doesn't apply so much? So it sounds different now to when we just had one. So we're no longer getting notes that are playing after each other with fairly regular intervals between them, which will create sort of an oscillator type effect. We're still getting it slightly, however. Let's I think the variation on the pitch needs to be a bit more. What if I change this to brown noise? And let's turn on this filter and let's have oscillator 1 going in here. Do I still have the reverb on? I do. Let's turn that off. It's still getting that rogue long note coming through. I feel like the filter cutoff gets too high. So let's have it go here and let's have it come back down again. Maybe not. Okay, making some good progress. Look, I don't really think we're going to get this sound out of what we're doing. I think we need a lot of maths and we need to move into the code world to really accurately physically model this sound. But I'm really enjoying trying to do it with the tools that we currently have available to us.